Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our school channel. I'm Ustazah Umi here, and today we are going to continue on our lesson Module 1, Where Are You From? Our World. I hope you can still remember our lesson from yesterday. As usual, before we start our lesson, let's go through today's vocabulary. Ice skating rink. Can you say it? Ice skating rink. Ice skate. Ice skate. Play chess. Play chess. Can you say it again? Play chess. Football. Football. Badminton. Play badminton. Again, play badminton.
Module 1. Our World. Vocabulary. Ice skating rink. Ice skate. Play chess. Football. Play badminton.
Now, I'm going to play an audio for you to listen to while reading the text together. I need you to focus on some structures here, such as usually, always, sometimes, never.
A day in the life of a figure skater. Megan, 9. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. A chess player. Pablo, 10. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock.
Alright, based on the audio that you have listened just now, I want you to answer these following questions that I have prepared for you. Whether the answer is yes or no. And we are going to talk about how we are going to answer yes or no properly. Question number 1. Does Pablo go to school at 8:15? There is something that you have to know about this question. It's 8:15. What is 8:15? 8:15 is 15 minutes after 8 o'clock. It means 8:15 minutes. In other words, you can also say 8:15. Look at the answer that I have underlined for you. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. So, is it the statement in the text and the question are same? Is it same? If same and you agree to it, so the answer is yes, he does. But why we use he? Because Pablo is a boy, so we have to use subject pronoun he. Next question. Does Megan usually ice skate in the morning? Does she? Let's look. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. So it's morning. Is it the same with the question? Yes, it is. So how are we gonna answer it properly? The answer is yes, she does. We use she because Megan is a girl. Number 3. Does Pablo always go home after school? Let's look at the text. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. So, Pablo doesn't go home. So the answer is gonna be no. But how we gonna answer with no? It should be like this. No, he doesn't. If you say yes, we use it. Yes, he does. If no, no, he doesn't. Question number 4. Does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? So 20 to 8, it means 20 minutes before 8 o'clock. That means, in other words, it's 7:40 a.m. So let's check the answer from the text. It should be like this. No, he doesn't. If you say yes, we use it. Yes, he does. If no, no, he doesn't. But the statement in the question asks, does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? It means 7:40 a.m. It's different in the text given. In the text it tells 7:45. So the answer is no. No, she doesn't. Why we use she? Because Megan is a girl. Now open your module 1, page 9 and 10. A day in the life of a figure skater and of a chess player. I want you to read the text and answer the question. On your textbook, page 8, there are 4 structures that you have to know. First one is always. Second, usually. Third one is sometimes. And the last one, the fourth one, never. So let's look at the example that I have given to you. Imagine that this is your daily activities from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So you have 4 activities there: football, badminton, playing chess and ice skating. Let's look at the first one, football. You always play football from Monday to Friday. Tick. It's 5 ticks. Second activity is badminton. You play badminton 4 times a week. And then play chess. You only play chess twice a week. And ice skating, you never play ice skating. So as you can see at the table, football, you always play footballs every day. Badminton usually, and play chess sometimes. And the last one, ice skating, never. You never play ice skating. So that is the end of our lesson today. I'll leave you some homework from module 1, page 11 and 12. If you do not understand, feel free to PM me. And I want you to send your homework in Telegram. Thank you. Last but not least, I want to thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. Assalamualaikum.